I've been getting into these like little quadcopters. That's what I just got into. That's why I stopped and check out this park. Yeah, here you guys are.
It's a whole other world.
Yeah. Wow. Can he make it go upside down?
Oh yeah.
So he's good.
Yeah, we're all pretty good. There's a group of us who try to fly every Sunday. But depending on the way the weather's been, we just kind of fly whenever the weather's good.
Right. How long is that? Is that gas?
No, it's electric.
How long does it fly for?
About 5 minutes.
Where'd you buy it off of the internet or a hobby store?
He actually bought that one used from somebody else, but yeah, pretty much you buy everything on the internet. Helicopter stores. They love selling you stuff.
Do you guys use the computer simulations?
Oh yeah, that's the only way to learn.
Unless you want to kill somebody or crash your copter, huh?
Oh, well, you crash a lot when you learn anyway, but it's a steep learning curve. I've been doing it about 6 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I started buying those quadcopters because I was going to get my nephew a cheap little remote control helicopter.
Yeah.
You know, a $17 one.
Yeah.
And then I started seeing about the quadcopters.
Well, that's how we all got addicted, was a little helicopter. And then you learn more and more and more and more, and eventually you get to this point, you know. It was a nice one.
I've been flying my little quadcopters up on top of hotels and Outback steakhouses and
Oh yeah.
Bob King Mercedes. I flew one up there, and the guy got a bucket truck so I can get it back down.
Oh.
Do you guys put cameras on the bottom of them?
No.
Because that's what this is kind of.
Yeah. No, it'd make you sick. The thing's flipping.
Okay. Well, if you just wanted to like fly out over the trees and stuff, you know what I mean?
You
just
could, but
cool.
it's really hard to get any good footage. I've tried it before, and these helicopters, they're made for doing stunts.
Okay. How fast does that thing go if you just?
Probably 100.
Wow.
The other one was faster.
Maybe I'll put this on YouTube if it turns out.
Nice. And scary.
So how long has he been doing it?
I think he said about 4 years on and off. He flies drones for the military.
Oh, really?
He used to fly model planes. So he's got some experience.
Okay, my turn, man.
Give him the keys to your truck.
I got a Powerball ticket I haven't checked yet.
Yeah, me too. I didn't hear if anybody.
I heard somebody from North Carolina won, and somebody from Puerto Rico. I think 2 people from North Carolina, Raleigh and Greensboro, maybe. They won like $1 million or something. I don't know if they won a big prize. I'm not sure, but.
They'll seem just fine.
Yeah.
That was awesome, man.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. A lot of fun.